Hi there everyone, my name is Echo. This is a really fun project that we can play with and learn all about one of our very important senses, the sense of hearing. Are you ready to make some awesome sound shakers today? Well, before we begin, let's learn a fun fact about sound. Sound is a type of energy that travels in waves. When an object vibrates, it creates sound waves that travel through the air or other materials. We hear different sounds because objects vibrate at different frequencies. Now, let's make our own sound shakers. All you need are a few cardboard tubes, some tape, a stapler, scissors, coloured tissue paper, glue, and some small objects that will make different sounds. First, cut the tissue paper into small squares. We'll use this to decorate the cardboard tubes. Glue the tissue paper squares onto the cardboard tubes to create your own unique and colourful designs. Once the tubes are decorated, flatten one end of each tube and secure it with a couple of staples. This will create a closed end for the shaker. Be careful with the sharp points though. Let's put some tape over the staples to keep the end closed. Now it's time to make some noise. You can use items like rice, pasta, paper clips or beads. We carefully put the small objects into the tubes. Remember, each pair of tubes should have the same kinds of items inside. Flatten the open end of the tube perpendicular to the closed end. This will help the contents move freely inside the shaker to create our different sounds. Finally, staple the open end closed and seal that with tape too. Now it's time to have some fun. Play a matching game to find the pair of shakers that make the same sound. Shake each shaker and listen carefully so you can identify the matching sounds. It's a great way to train your listening skills. Congratulations on making your own sound shakers. Have a great time matching sounds and creating your own rhythms. See you next time.